So now we've done the first 2 videos of our 3-video short series on dowsing with pendulum, and I kind of mentioned in the last video that there are some advanced techniques. I'm going to share something that's kind of intermediate, and that is basically understanding how to tune and cleanse your chakras. Now, because we're all energetic beings, and because pendulums are working with energy work and they are conductors of energy, we can ask the yes/no question just like anything else about our energy centers and our personal vortices and our body, which are our chakras, our energy wheels. And as we do this, we can find out which ones are aligned or functioning properly and which ones are not. And then we can actually find out how to recalibrate them. And I'm going to go through and give you a quick demo, and I'm going to do it from my crown, my third eye, and my throat, maybe even my heart, just because I'm sitting down. So we're going to just do a quick question. So let's go ahead and calibrate. Let's practice what we learned in step 1. Okay, palm up, left palm, elbow on the ground, breath, breathe in once. Let's just go through all the motions. Let's do a cleansing breath. Let's ask for tuning in, yes and no, and then thank you. Okay, so first things first, let's do a cleansing breath. In through the nose, soften your brow, smile through your third eye, pop the energy out your crown chakra, back down, exhale, good. Second breath now, be the same pattern, but instead of exhaling ha, we're going to blow and cleanse our pendulum. Here we go. Perfect. You should feel that. Ooh, I feel it. It feels good. It's just cleansed up anything that was happening in the last video. Now, left palm up. I invite you to tune in to my energy field. Let's watch that. Oh yes, nice and clear and ready to work. Fantastic. Thank you. We've got our tune in. Now we say, I invite you to show me your yes. Perfect. Once you've got your yes, say thank you. Mine's going forward and backward. Now we say, I invite you to show me your no. Go ahead and wait for it to show us our no. Yeah, this one wants to give me the circle again, so there's the no. Fabulous. It's kind of a shaky circle, kind of horizontal as well. So if you're getting a confusing one, it's going in circles and it hasn't quite, look at it's going in circles the other way. It's probably doing this for demonstration purposes, which is awesome. So if you were watching my pendulum, you would have seen it start out with a circle counterclockwise, then go horizontal back and side to side, then come back and do circles the other way. So that was wonderful. It was for demonstration purposes. Thank you. So now get clear again and just say, thank you so much. Can you make your no stronger? Just speaking it out loud, because that's a yes or no question. And now say, I invite you to show me your no. Stronger, please. And let's see what it gives me. Again, make sure you're breathing. Don't hold your breath. That's it. Okay, there's my no. Do you have your no? Thank you for being clear. Perfect. So there's my no. So it's a pretty strong horizontal swing with a little bit of a counterclockwise circle. Okay, perfect. Thank you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find out about our energy centers. So take your pendulum, and I want you to first, just because you're going to need to see the pendulum, align it with your crown chakra, which is at the top of your head. Okay? And I just want you to make sure, so maybe touch it to your head really quick at the top, right where your crown is, and then lift it so it knows what chakra you're finding out about. So now we're asking about the crown chakra. So ask the question, is my crown chakra properly activated? And wait for your yes or no answer. You're going to need to hold it above your head here because it's in that part. Good. So once you get your answer, mine is a yes. Okay? That's wonderful. If you got a yes, you can move on. If you get a no, ask it to help recalibrate. Okay? So I know I'll probably get a no somewhere around here. So let's go to the next one just for demonstration purposes. I'm now going to go to my third eye, my brow chakra. Thank you. And I'm going to ask, is my third eye chakra balanced and activated? Yes. Okay. Thank you. So now we'll go to the next. I'm going to touch it to my throat. Wonderful. Is my throat chakra balanced and activated. Yes, thank you. And now we'll come down to the higher heart. Is my higher heart chakra balanced? Yes, and activated. Yes, thank you. Now we'll come down to the heart, the central heart. Thank you. Is my heart center balanced? Yes, and activated. Yes. Okay. So let's just pretend for a second that it was a no. So at this moment, I'm going to stop. I appreciate that. Thank you, Pendulum. For demonstration purposes, I'd like you, and this is how we can, I'd like you to recalibrate, charge, and balance my heart chakra. Say I want to infuse more energy into my heart chakra. Please calibrate, energize, and activate my heart chakra. So now it started doing its work. As soon as it's balanced, activated, it is going to swing in its yes direction, or it's going to go completely still, letting me know that it's done. Those are the two ways it lets me know. So in this case, it's gone back to still, pretty much, letting me know that it's balanced, activated, and charged my heart chakra. Now let's say that I'd like to pull out any energy in my heart that does not belong to me or that is slowing down my manifesting process. This is my intention. So now you can see it starting to do its work. I'd like you to help me to pull out any energy that is not mine, that is slowing down my manifesting process. So now it's moving in a different direction. Good, there we go. Now it's calibrating. You will know what your calibration looks like. So this is my calibration. So just feel it for a moment and allow it to pull out of you anything that doesn't belong to you, anything that might be slowing you down, anything that might be slowing down your heart's desires and manifestations. Allow it to work and work and work until it's clear and balanced all over again. Perfect. And remember, when it's done its work, it's either going to start swinging yes, it's balanced, or it's going to go completely still on you as soon as it feels balanced into what you've desired. So something was just removed from my heart center. Okay, do you see how easy that is? I always like to breathe again and cleanse it. Do a quick dry bath and say thank you and cleanse my pendulum because it just removed energy out of my body. So let's try that one more time. Let's say that I'd like to visualize and activate my creative mind. Say I'm doing a writing project and I need to visualize certain scenes, okay? So let's touch it to our third eye because I want to visualize these scenes. I want to bring them in and supercharge them for my writing. I invite you to help to supercharge my creativity, how I see, how I intuit, and how I write and bring in these scenes. Wow, this is really swinging. Check that out. Woohoo! I can't wait to see what I come up with next. Look at that. It's like ricocheting. That's fantastic. It's going to be dropping in some good downloads. I cannot wait. Yes, let me channel in whatever is necessary. I hope you guys have a massive swing on this one too. Look at that. Apparently it's not done yet. So we're just going to let it keep going. It makes me happy. I'm getting tingly. And again, as soon as it's done supercharging my third eye, dropping in creative ideas and visualizations, it's going to go still or it's going to swing to the yes, letting me know that it's done its work. Okay, so it's swinging yes. Here it's saying, yeah, baby, we just dropped in a whole bunch of downloads that are going to be ready for you to access when you're ready to start your writing. So I hope that this quick tutorial was helpful for you. And if you want to go further and deeper into how to use pendulums, please send me a message, get in touch with me for mentoring, whatever it is. I hope you've had fun with these quick tools and how to do a couple of awesome things with your pendulum. So this is Shama Besley signing off of our short video series #1, which is dowsing with your pendulum. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon. Blessings.